Droga. 5 letra ngunit napakatindi ng pinsala. Buhay ay nasira, nakawasak ng pamilya. Pag-iisip mo nawala. Paano nga ba nalulong sa bisyong masama?
Kahirapan. Isang kain, isang tuka. Kahirapan ang isa sa dahilan kung bakit kabataan ay nasasangkot sa masamang bisyo. Kapit patalim. Sa pamilya ay may maipakain. Kabataang pagod sa hirap. Masamang gawain, kanila'y pinapasok.
Hey, let's go home. Hey, start. Ano na start? Hey. Hey, go. Okay, bye. Can I go home now because I have to study for tomorrow's exam?
No, don't study. We
No,
also we have no study.
No, Papa. If I don't study, there is a big possibility that we can get low score for tomorrow's exam.
Go.
Hey, Papa. What is the event here? Why there are so many students and police?
They are just discussing about drugs.
Can I join?
Sure.
So, good afternoon everyone. We are here in front of you to discuss about drugs. We are just students came from GHAC Dulingan campus, and we are about to discuss about the drugs. Drugs is not just about it is not just about drugs that we all know, like drugs, methamphetamine, codeine, and marijuana. Drugs can be, pwede na siya makuha sa mga limnon, mga sigarilyo, mga vices, bitaw na to, pwede na siya makuha. So, nagamit mo nilimoan na, dapat likayan din ninyo. Kaya namay daghan kayo ng mga effects na makadala sa inyong. Boss mo.
Doon pangutana ka. Saan mga possibility na gamit na illegal drugs?
Maayo mapangutana. Ang mga possible nga effects ng maggamit kag shabu, daghan kayo. Pwede nga mabuang ka, usay pa nga makapatay kag tao, gumikan na imong shabu nga paggamit, ang mga vices nga kuan. Diyon mag-illusion na ka, diyon kanang mura na kag naglutok permanente. Diyon magtumok, then basin pa makasala para sa imong pamilya, may gumikan sa imong kuan, mangawat na ka, inana bitaw. Mo nang og kuan, dapat maglikay na gid mo. Okay. Mga to guys, mga to mo ang i-discuss karong adlaw. Salamat kayo sa inyong participation.
Sige daw, dapat kayo po. Tinglo na po sila. Where's the light? Apa What about Banasan? Call him and tell him to join us.
Hello. Malasan. Bye. You will come here in our boarding house. We have some important talking.
No, come here. Let's do it. No, that's bad. That is bad.
Hey, did you know that that is not good for your health? Also, hey you, did you know that if the police know that you are using drugs, you will be sent into prison?
No, sir.
Did you know that using drugs can prevent you from achieving your goals in life?
No, bro.
Your health, you'll be dead soon if
Bro, I'm touched. I'm touched while our bro said that using drugs is very harmful to our health.
Yeah, we have to throw this, bro.
Yes, bro. We must throw it away.
Yes,
we change our lifestyle, bro.
Yes,
Because
we
that
must
is
change
bad
our
to our
lifestyle.
health.
yes,
Yes.
yes. That's correct. Bro, thank you, bro.
Thank you for advising us, bro, for not using drugs.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for advising, bro. Thank you very much. Let's go. Let's buy that.
One is the loneliest number that you'll